Toyota vehicles manufactured after 2018 come equipped with backup warning systems as standard equipment. These beeping sounds when reversing are now mandatory due to federal safety regulations. The implementation of these systems began in 2018 when safety regulations required backup warning devices. Recent software updates in 2023 and 2024 have made traditional bypass methods ineffective. There are three main types of backup warning systems in Toyota vehicles. The first type is basic audible alerts, simple beeping sounds when the vehicle is in reverse gear connected to the transmission position sensor. The second type is integrated safety systems, which are part of the Toyota Safety Sense suite. These systems are connected to rear cross-traffic alerts and parking sensors, making them much more complex and difficult to disable. The third type includes aftermarket systems, third-party backup alarms often added for fleet management or to meet commercial vehicle requirements. There are important considerations before attempting to disable these systems. Toyota dealerships have become more restrictive about disabling safety features due to liability concerns and may refuse such service requests. Additionally, disabling safety features may affect your insurance coverage and claims processing. It's important to consult with your insurance provider before making any modifications to safety systems. Understanding these backup beeper systems is crucial because recent software updates have made traditional bypass methods ineffective. Modern systems are increasingly integrated with other safety features, making any modifications more complex and challenging than in older vehicles. Several methods exist to disable Toyota's backup beeping, each with different complexity levels and considerations. We'll examine four main approaches and their important limitations. The fuse removal method involves locating and removing the backup lamp fuse from your vehicle's fuse box. This is often the simplest approach, but removing the wrong fuse can disable other important systems like brake lights or turn signals. Direct disconnection involves physically locating and disconnecting the backup beeper speaker or buzzer. This requires intermediate to advanced automotive skills and may involve removing dashboard panels or accessing components in the engine bay. Dealer programming using Toyota TechStream software is the official method. This diagnostic tool can modify vehicle settings, but availability varies by dealership location and their willingness to disable safety features due to liability concerns. Third-party OBD2 programming tools offer another option, but their legality varies by jurisdiction. These tools require technical knowledge and compatible software. Success rates have decreased for newer Toyota models due to increased system integration. Before attempting any modification, consider these important factors. For 2020 and newer Toyota models, professional consultation is strongly recommended due to increased system complexity. Volume reduction may be preferable to complete disabling, and always keep documentation of modifications for insurance purposes.